Hey, to pair your OPPO Enco Free 2 earbuds with any Android phone, first of all, you will have to open this charging case. When this indicator is turned on, it means that you can enter the pairing mode. And you will have to find this button on the right side, then click and hold it. And now just wait until this indicator starts blinking white. Now, just try to do this one more time. So keep holding, and right now you can release. When it is blinking, you will have to leave the case open like this. And now open the boot settings on your phone. So in my case, I can get access from this quick list, from the quick settings, and take a look for available devices. Now select your OPPO Enco Free 2. Accept the pairing. And from here, as you can see, we are successfully connected. And now you can also get the Hey Melody application from the OPPO. Just wait for it. And in this application, you can actually add this earbuds and use some additional features. I have a separate video on my channel where I'm showing you how to exactly set up your earbuds with this application. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.